Hello guys, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your ultimate source for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. Let's explore what makes this new cruiser a standout in its segment. Design and aesthetic appeal. The Shotgun 650 is a bold statement of modern retro styling. With its aggressive stance, chunky tires, and minimalist bodywork, it merges classic cruiser vibes with contemporary design elements. The split seat, wide handlebars, and sculpted fuel tank give it a muscular yet refined look that screams road presence. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Shotgun 650 lies Royal Enfield's proven 648cc parallel twin engine. Tuned for a slightly different character compared to the Interceptor and Continental GT, it delivers smooth torque across the rev range, making it ideal for relaxed cruising. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox that ensures seamless shifts on highways and city streets, successful Paralenders hiked it 56 foot by 8 foot in late class. At Demir Posh. Features and technology. Royal Enfield has stepped up its game with modern tech for the Shotgun 650. It features a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting all around, and optional navigation. Safety is enhanced with dual-channel ABS and a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts. The bike maintains its retro charm while integrating essential modern conveniences. Comfort and ride quality. The Shotgun 650 is designed for long hauls. Its wide, well-cushioned seat, upright riding position, and mid-set foot pegs ensure rider comfort over extended rides. The suspension setup, consisting of USD front forks and twin rear shocks, strikes a perfect balance between comfort and handling. Pricing and availability. Royal Enfield is expected to price the Shotgun 650 competitively, keeping it accessible while offering premium features. With an anticipated launch in mid-2025, it's poised to attract both seasoned riders and new enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. With its perfect blend of style, performance, and comfort, it's set to redefine the middleweight cruiser market. Stay tuned to Bike Updater Pro for more updates on this exciting launch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in the world of motorcycles.